Are you a Twitch streamer with loads of fun alert ideas but just don't know how to bring them to life? What if I told you that there is a way that you can create your dream alerts for your Twitch stream and you don't need to be an artist or designer? There is a nice and easy way to do it. Sound Alerts lets you create your own alerts with the alert animation editor. You can either start creating from a template or from scratch, blank, then add your own images or video, choose the text, colors, and the way it all looks and moves. Let's create an animation alert from scratch. From your Sound Alerts dashboard, select Animations and click on Create Animation. First, name your alert. To add an image and/or video, select Media and Upload. Drag and drop your images and videos here. The images and videos you upload will then appear into the correct category. I'll select the Adorable Sound Alerts mascot. On the right is where you can change its position and size, the duration, which is how long the alert appears on your stream. For example, a follower alert. It's how long the alert will be on my Twitch stream when someone follows me. You can also adjust the animation in and animation out here. Animation in is how it appears in. Out is how the animation disappears. I'll do fade out. Next, add text. Resize the text and click through the different fonts and colors until you have a style you like for your stream. The text highlight animation is how the text moves. For example, wiggle. This is a fun one, or pulse for a more subtle choice. The event messages is a really important part of the design process. This is where we make sure the text for each event, extension, tipping, channel points, new follower, subscription, gifted subs, raid, cheer, hype train, and shout out is exactly how you want it to appear on your stream. The alert animation we're making right now could be used for every single alert on Twitch. Rather than making multiple alerts of the same design to be able to use more than once, like if you want this design to be used for new followers and subscribers and having to make the same alert twice, this way makes it so much easier because you only need to make the alert once and then you can apply the one alert to multiple different Twitch events. Get the text right and your job has become a lot easier. That's essentially it. If you want to keep your alert nice and simple, but yes, you can add multiple media and text to the one alert, or a video and/or sound effects and music. Keep playing and building on your alert design. You can have a lot of fun with this. Be sure to save it, and then when you go into My Alerts, select your new design when adding an event. There you go. Let me know in the comments below what alert animations you designed and if you have any questions at all. Plus subscribe for more tutorials, tips, tricks, and updates.